Will self-organization work in a traditional hierarchical structure? Well, it may, but is it optimal? So, what does the structure of a self-organizing collective look like? And what conditions apply? As you grasp the principles of swarm organization, you'll quickly concur that they call for a flexible structure. So no fixed blocks, lines and pyramids, but something round and organic. Small overlapping spheres of information that constantly interact with each other. And people, that is exactly what we see in nature and why natural swarms often show this typical spherical structures. These are our main guidelines for creating a human swarm structure. The first one. The structure is determined by role and purpose of the organization. It is never fixed. It must be and stay flexible. The structure also follows the inspiration, motivation and attitude of its stakeholders, and autonomy, self-responsibility and empathy are considered rudimentary for creating a self-organization. So there's no vertical structure anymore. We define the organization in flexible spheres, each of which has its own role, purpose and task. And that purpose, role and task follows the consensus of the environment. Roles are fulfilled primarily based on personal motivation, and secondary are availability, knowledge and individual choice. And contrary to popular belief, there's no anarchy in a swarm. There are leadership roles, but the authority doesn't reside in a person, but in a role. Roles can be fulfilled by more than one person. They're always based on a need and they're not permanent. And then, how do we create the strong bond and the behavior as if it were one organism? Now, we encourage individuals to connect and share info wherever, whenever possible. We swap roles between people, teams and departments. We mirror each other's behavior so that everyone knows what everyone knows. And we increase diversity so that there's always someone in the organization who knows exactly how to match the environment. In larger organizations, we probably need the help of technology to administer this. Fortunately, these applications, often smart AI platforms, already exist. Now, related to this last piece, I sometimes get the question, Evert, isn't swarm organization actually not a bit the same as agile? Well, yes, partly. There are certainly similarities. Swarm organization uses different basic principles in agile, but the biggest difference is that agile is often applied within a small area of a traditional organizational structure, while with swarm the entire organization works according to this model, not just a small piece. So in short, self-organization can work in a traditional hierarchical structure, but probably only reaches its full potential when the structure of the organization is designed accordingly. Now, in my book Swarm Organization, I introduce the swarm solution. That's a best of both worlds combination of both human and natural organization behavior. Would you like to know how this all works? Then click on the link below and step into the world of swarm organization. Read the book and sign up for a seminar, a masterclass or one of our courses. At Swarm Organization, we embrace the organization principles of nature to create organizations that are much more enjoyable, sustainable and profitable for both people and planet. We hope to see you soon.